Take the breadcrumb with the potato ricer. Soak in beaten eggs and caramelized onion flakes. Crack the eggs into the bowl. Mix with black pepper and salt. Finely chop a few slices of ham. Add to the bowl. Take a piece of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Grate and put into the bowl. Sprinkle a red bell pepper with water. Cut into small cubes and put into the bowl. Cut the butter into pieces and melt in the pan. Put the slices of bread. Add the filling. Fry covered for 2 minutes. Fry on the other side for another 4 minutes.